In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Checkbox in DocHub. If you've got a PDF that needs quick, clean checkboxes for forms, surveys, or simple to-do lists, DocHub makes this very straightforward. We'll start by opening your PDF inside DocHub, then switch into the form editing mode, choose the Checkbox tool, place it exactly where you want, and fine-tune the size and alignment so everything looks professional and easy to use. Begin by heading to DocHub.com in your browser. Once you're there, upload the PDF you want to edit or open it from your recent documents if it's already in your account. Give the file a moment to load and make sure you can see the pages clearly. If your document has small text or tight spacing, consider zooming in a bit so placement is precise. Next, enable the form editing tools. At the top of the DocHub interface, look for the option labeled Fields, or you might see Prepare Form. Click one of those. This switches DocHub into a mode that unlocks interactive form elements, including checkboxes, text fields, dropdowns, and more. You'll notice a toolbar or panel appear that's dedicated to form elements. That's where you'll find what you need. Now select the Checkbox tool. Look for the option that says Checkbox, often shown with a small checkmark icon. Click it once to activate it. You won't see anything change on your page just yet. That's expected. You're simply telling DocHub that the next click you make on the document should place a checkbox. To place the checkbox, move your cursor over the spot where you want it to appear and click once. The checkbox will drop right there. If it's not in the perfect position on the first try, don't worry. You can adjust it in a moment. If you're placing it next to an answer choice or label, try to align it so there's enough space between the box and the text for readability. With the checkbox placed, you can resize and fine-tune its position. Click to select it, then drag the corners to make it larger or smaller. Aim for a size that's easy to see and click, especially if users will fill this on a touchscreen. To move it, click and drag the checkbox until it lines up neatly with your labels or text. Take a second to check the spacing and make everything consistent across the page. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in DocHub, enable form editing, choose the checkbox tool, place it, and adjust it so it looks clean and aligned. Repeat these steps anywhere you need additional checkboxes, and your form will be ready to go.